Keith. Haven't done much camping this fall. Been helping out the local forest preserve, remove some invasive species, primarily honeysuckle and buckthorn. Buckthorn was brought in as a hedge for livestock fencing. Came from another continent and it really liked this environment, so it took off, and now you'll see it quite often in wilderness areas. Honeysuckle was an ornamental. There's a version that is native, but this one is very different, and again, it can outcompete the other varieties and a lot of other plants. So they spread very quickly with berries. Their growing season is longer than the native plants, and they emit enzymes from the roots that inhibit germination. So what the forest preserve is looking to do is to remove a lot of the honeysuckle and buckthorn to allow light to come down to the forest floor, and so the spring wildflowers can germinate and bloom. And it's a full body workout. You could do legs, arms, even chest. Now we'll have a video of when you lost your eye. Okay, watch out, here it comes.
Falling towards me. Where's halfway?
The thinnest spot you can find is right here.
Tell me when you're tired.
Tired this morning when I woke up.
It's like, oh my god, so close. Need to cut it more.
You can tell buckthorn from a distance because it still has its leaves here in the fall. That's how it can outcompete other species and crowd them out. I'd encourage you to join your local conservation agency and help them remove invasive species, whatever those happen to be in your area. Buckthorn and honeysuckle are quite widespread, so you'll probably run into those. You'll also see it in wilderness areas as they have reached into those spaces as well. Thanks for watching, and I hope I have a new adventure for you soon.